Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Kacharia Bitung MP lapen hampanga song atung pen Education Minister aphan kachetong dam. ASDC, KNCA, KSA Chelangpet J.J.M Nichols Roy aphan ingdeng trokep kepleng kithiarni hamren along kachiki modun. Kardom pini prime time abirta along pen nilisami marvelous rongpharpi nonarju ikha birta angton pen. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Kachari CEM Tuliram Ronghang MP Horen Singh Be EM Mangal Singh Timung Higher Education Asai Kam Kilang Arpu Kanghor EM Jagat Singh Ingti KSA Amai Phu Bijoy Be KSA Sai Hemchun Bang Urli Rongpi KSU Amai Phu Sarim Tokbi KSU Kongchun Bang Richard Ingti KSYC Amai Phu Prakash Terang KSYC Sankurchun Bang Bipul Tiso KFA Amai Phu Tinku Ingtia Tumpen govt of Assam State Education Asai Kam Kelangpon Minister Siddhartha Bhattacharya aphan chetong damsi kenang sot alam the tok jerpen pinpur alop pipa jerpon. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kaparlo inglong suakhai kapap hiup aradaphan teacher eligibility test mate tet lo thanbang kavedim puthot kapap leng thuji aphan surihini rasur cap right to education mate RTE arona tengpen under the jurisdiction of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council angkang elementary pen secondary yang deng doan thanbang ang hoi kawi kapapleng pon thuji aphan solajong ketok pen our cyclong ji apartment chehangdam adun thu scheduled tribe hills atumaphan panonglor tet asat lang ketok long pen asam angkang backlog post itame kelong dun ji aphan jongdun kithom ke jongdun ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kaparlo ME High School Karbi Alampen lo thanbang 484 Karbi Medium School along ang hoi kapapleng dun jiaphan Karbi Medium tet ketok long jiaphan our side piponangji pinpur alu along thli ke jongdun ke tet asan lang ketok ang thek kelang asai dipholong kibiji aphan jong pinpur alu along ketok aputhak penang an chingki chingwai pedosi mesen lamchak kachepi ponke Karbi Anglong arad aphan akime ason anke thek an un anke bang cherap chetu dun jiaphan chechak NSCNIM atum akemang aputhak Indian government pen klardak alam kachingki pon aputhak ningkang samse chepaklang. Autonomous State Demand Committee mate ASDC Karbi Nimso Chingthor asong mate KNCA Karbi Lo Charlie asong mate KSA pen kedamtang ningkan thomkep sose Article 244A kachesong non puanta India government atum chide ponthipsi non halapu Jammu and Kashmir aphan Union Territory pinangji puke India Constitution along na hokta ketokawe
Seta Ladakh aphan mate Jammu and Kashmir aphan Union Territory kinai ko constitution along topic laisialang
lapen non hejong Indian government pen NSCN IM aphan lamrai kachingki pen towar ketho pithek det le kopisi Karbi Anglong pharman ajirding tui pen nangkachesong pharokri sirkebra thokebra sirkeb pen Article 244A aputhak India government atum kapachun ponji aphan kengkam chejor pon pedet puta sodak pen government aphan arju pon lasi prabjen pen ajirding tui pen nangkachesong Article 244A akemang prabjen pen kapechun ponji aphan pachini
ASDC KSA KNCA tor propor ami ভারত সরকার অসম সরকারক আমি অনুরোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিছো যে সোনকালে যুৱক ৪৪ ক ধাৰা ইমপ্লিমেণ্ট কৰি দিব লাগে
Naga atumaphan lamrai kache tok bondet aputhak ASDC party pen thangnata kipudunji athayawe bonta Article 244A kapechunji aphan government atum kengkam chejor jirek pulote ASDC aradatum nangkachesong ahut suluk sodakle dokok sitame Assam Sarkar atum pen thedung adai nang chendu nangji puta Jackson Bay pen Assam Sarkar aphan ketherpadopon Dipupen digonto teron pen Roshan Hanse Karbi Anglong live Church of God Meghalaya lapen Assam Arna Mamondali ki Sengcheng Anparta Autonomous District Council mate 6 schedule ajakong inglong aswa khayaphan kapelong kachepasung abangphu karlitang James Roy Mohan Nichols Roy aphan milur ke kai pensi kachikimo asaideng 6 schedule apo Anparta Church of God Meghalaya lapen Assam keseng abangphu karlitang J.J.M Nichols Roy aphan alang likithi phaikoni ni phai isi Pharokri sirkebra phokebra sirkeb arni Pini Hamren Church of God Mission Center along Monduli keja atumben kechenglok Monduli ari sonim sodan chingrumsi pining kechengsi kachikimo asai milur ke kai pensi talondun labang so puthak Church of God English High School Lothan bang jotham kim basiai moit pen alangli kailamu thandun aduntu Hamren Monduli kesar Chandra Singh ronghang penta lamthei jaipon
alangli 1884 at 12 June alangli kithi tarik ke tarik isi 1959 1st November labang so along living chikimo kuna pasap so alangli akiman alangli kiklem pasap so daklan online fortunately I served as a cabinet minister of Assam province India alangli claim hono laping 24 years members of the legislature Assam province India alangli claim hono tapi alangli akiman kita satu when I received a copy of the gospel trumpet in which there was writing about the church of God that is not a certain and that includes all the redeemed of the Lord. I felt that it was according to the feeling of my soul. The writing on this unity of God's people who are saved in Christ Jesus found a very welcome response in my heart. You ministers of Jesus Christ cannot but feel in your heart the great passion in your very soul for the unity of Christian for this is the prayer of our blessed Lord. Only do I pray, but for them also believe on me through their word, that they may be all one even as though Father art in me and I in thee, that they also may be one in us, that the world may believe that thou didst send me. John 17:20 alangli labang so Bible verse alangli dadaki pulake arnamle ne phandak pithe thangi toy sansi I sending into the world
Pini prime time abirta bangke lapan sikang tonik lo demi thakmi kardom